Hi there, parents. This is Mrs. Gilliland, or as you'll probably hear your child refer to me, Mrs. G, and I am your child's pre-AP Algebra 1 teacher this year. The reason for this video is to give you an introduction to what your child is experiencing at home in order to prepare for my class the next day. A few things about me really quick. I have been teaching for 13 years. This is the 14th year for me, and for the last 13 years I have taught 8th grade math and pre-AP Algebra 1 at Westwood Junior High. Last May I decided that I didn't want to teach junior high anymore. I wanted to see what high school was all about, so I put in for a transfer, did an interview, and now here I am at Richardson High School, and I cannot tell you how happy I am to be teaching at the high school level. I did graduate from Texas Tech University with my bachelor's degree in math. That's how I got my start in teaching. And then last May, I graduated with my master's degree in education from the University of Houston. A few other things. I do have 3 kids, and just at the very end of August, we just took our oldest, the one here in the middle, to start her very first year of college at Stephen F. Austin. She has had a very good first week. Everything has gone well. The other ones, this one is in high school still. She's got a couple more years before we have to deliver her to college. And this one is still in elementary school. She's a 5th grader. So I have a ways before I have to send her off as well. I am married. My husband also teaches here at Richardson High School. He is also a math teacher. We decided to keep math in the family. And one of the very cool things we got to do in the last year is we went and we stood in line for a very long time, but we went to Barnes & Noble and were able to meet Alton Brown from the Food Network and have him sign a cookbook of ours, which was really, really cool because we are very big Alton Brown fans. A few other things about my class. My tutoring times are Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday mornings, and then after schools on Wednesday. Although I am here every single morning, I arrive at school by about 8 o'clock. I am always here, so your students are more than welcome to come up any day, especially in the morning. After school, they should probably check with me because after schools are a little bit busier than the mornings, so if it's not a Wednesday, if they'll just ask and let me know, I can arrange some things. Contact information, right now all I have is email. It's the best way to contact me anyway. It's the quickest and most efficient. I've listed my email address for you. Since I am new to Richardson High School, I do not have a phone or a phone number yet. So contacting me by phone, you'll just have, if it's imperative, you'll just have to call the front office and have them leave me a message. As soon as I get a phone and a phone number, I will pass that information along through your child so that you will have that information and will be able to contact me that way. But for now, email, of course, is absolutely the best method. So how is my class different? My class is different because we operate on the flipped classroom model, which means that in the evening, students watch videos over class content from home and they take notes while they're at home. Then they spend class time working on problems, extensions, and investigations related to that video they watched the night before. So it's flipped. Instruction happens at home where they watch the video and take notes. They should always be in some organized format so that they can read them, understand them, and go back and refer to them and know what they mean. And then they spend class time practicing what the video was over. The reason this model is so great is because no longer will you have your child at home frustrated and upset and working for an hour or so on a homework assignment for math and getting stuck on one problem and not knowing where to go and not being able to get the help they need. They just watch a short video, they take their notes, and then I am there in class to guide them through those problems that they get stuck on or are not sure how to do, and they get to discuss it with their classmates, they get to discuss it with me, and the math conversation is phenomenal. But so this gives them more opportunity to learn the content. Your role as a parent is to, number one, make sure that your student watches the short video each night. The videos are never any longer than 15 minutes, and then make sure that they take notes as they watch the video. The cool thing about the video is they can pause it, they can stop it, they can rewind it if they need to. If I talk too fast or they didn't catch something the first time, they can always back it up and watch that part again. If they've got to get up because something, they have to go feed the dog or it's time for dinner, they can stop it or pause it. That's how this class is different, and I wanted you to be able to see this video so that you had an idea. So I hope that you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you all Tuesday night at Meet the Teacher Night, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Labor Day weekend.